Yo, what's up, you guys? Do you want to start earning free Bitcoin? Well, stick with me through this entire video because I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 ways that you can start earning free Bitcoin over and over again. This can be done with your cell phone, laptops, tablets. As long as you have an internet connection, there will be several different ways that you can combine all together so that you can make a decent amount of Bitcoin 100% for free. And most of this can be done worldwide. So stick with me through this entire video. You are absolutely going to love this. Alrighty, so let's jump straight into this, counting it down from number 5 all the way down to number 1. First up here, we have an application called Stormplay. And basically what's happening on this application is just like it says, you're earning crypto, Bitcoin, and Ethereum 100% for free with this one single application. You can see up here that it's been rated 4 stars by 59,111 people. So people are absolutely loving this application. This is also available in the Apple App Store as well. You guys rated 4.4 stars over here as well. So again, people really like this application. And the way that you're going to be getting paid in Bitcoin and earning Bitcoin with this one single app is mainly through downloading and playing popular games. So if you're a gamer and you like playing games on your phone anyways, you might as well start getting paid Bitcoin just to play games. I want to point out as well that there are some different ways that you can get paid with this one single app other than just playing games. You can be searching deals on products and services that you love. You can take surveys and earn more Bitcoin, and there's new offers added daily. You can also get paid just for watching videos with this application. So if you like to watch different videos on popular brands, you can earn crypto just for that as well. One other thing that I do want to point out is you're going to need a Coinbase account. And basically what this is a crypto wallet, you guys, and you will need this for the other things that we're going to be talking about as well. So you might as well set this up. So if you come over here, click on get started up here in the top, it's going to ask you for your basic information and stuff. You connect this to the application and different services that I'm going to be telling you about today, and this is where they're going to pay your cryptocurrency too. So that you basically can hold all of your cryptocurrency here, or you can buy, sell, trade it, whatever you want to do. Continuing on here at number 4, we have Feature Points coming in, and this is an application that I've tested. I have it on my phone. I absolutely love this application. What you're doing is earning points within this one single application through surveys, different offers, shopping within this application. You earn cash back. You can join contests. You can be downloading different apps and get paid just for sampling out different apps. Again, you guys, and then you can share this with your friends and start earning up to 50% of everything that they're doing within this application as well. I do want to point out over here in the Google Play Store, it is rated 4.5 stars roughly by 112,000 people. Over in the Apple App Store, 4.4 stars as well by 800 people. And what you'll notice here is that you're going to accumulate points. And basically you can get this paid out in gift cards, you can get this paid out in cash, or you can get paid in Bitcoin. So you can do this in $5 to $10 amounts. Every 3,000 points you have is worth $5 in Bitcoin. And then every 6,000 points you have is worth $10 in Bitcoin. And again, this is connected to your Coinbase account that we were talking about earlier. So coming in at number 3 here, we are at a website called Faucets, and I really quickly want to point out that I will be leaving a link in the description down to every single thing that we will be talking about today. So if you want to quickly navigate to any one of these, check it out down in the description. You can click on those links. It'll bring you directly to these home pages. This one especially, you want to make sure that you use the link because you'll need a referral code to get signed up for this. So make sure that you go down in the description and click that referral code and get signed up through that link. Once you're signed up, you're going to land on a page right here, and what you're going to click on is dashboard right here. So once you click on dashboard, it's going to bring you over to this page right here that we're looking at right now. Now, once you arrive at this page, I want to direct your attention right over here to the side because there's like 2 or 3 different methods that you can use to actually start generating different cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin as well being one of them. You can do it with mobile applications, you can do it with Faucets, and Faucets, you guys, are basically just free Bitcoin. At the click of a button, they're going to give you free Bitcoin, and the reason that they do that is because they want you to stay on their site. There's going to be some advertisements and stuff like that, but they're going to pay you free Bitcoin just with a click, and we'll go through a little demonstration and I'll show you exactly how that works. So jumping back up here to where it says mobile applications. Within this mobile applications tab, what you're going to see right up here at the top is they have 2 different games. They have Crypto Math, they have Latoshi Stacker. You can check those out in the Play Store. So if you're a gamer and you like to, play games on your devices, you can simply download those and earn even more cryptocurrency. Jumping down here to the bottom, you guys, this is access to the faucets within these different applications. So like I said, a faucet is basically a place that you're going to just with a click of a button get paid cryptocurrency. So you can download these different apps and have access to these faucets through your smart devices. So moving on from the mobile applications tab right here, where you want to focus your attention is right here where it says faucets. And this is where you can come back and click over and over again on all these different cryptocurrencies right here and continue to earn small amounts of cryptocurrency just for clicking a button, literally. So for this example, we'll click on the one that says Bitcoin. And it's going to do this little flippy thing right here just for a second, and it's going to load the page. And then once the page loads, I'm going to show you exactly where you want to focus all of your attention. So you'll see the page loads here. You don't need to pay attention to any of this stuff that's going on up here unless you want to look at that. But you'll come down here to where it says click here to claim. You'll click that. What you're going to want to select is right here where it says I'm not a robot. You'll select that. And then it's going to pop up this. It's going to ask you to select images. For this one, it says select all images with crosswalks. So we'll select one with crosswalks in them. That appears to be all of them. And now I got to select one with cars. And we'll hit verify. Verify again, claiming, claim complete. And now you can see I've earned 1.499 and so on Satoshi. One last thing I want to point out here as well is right here where you see daily bonus, ES coin bonus, offer bonus. The more and more that you come back here and actually claim more cryptocurrency and complete the offers through this offer tab right here, the more that these bonuses actually increase all the way up to 500%. So this is one way that you can dramatically increase your results just by consistently coming back here and claiming more and more cryptocurrency and completing these offers. Coming in at number 2, we have presearch.org, and basically this is just a search engine that pays you in cryptocurrency just to search the web, you guys. This is just like Google, Bing, Yahoo, any search engine that you're using already anyways. And what's really cool about this as well is if you're really used to Google and you want to continue to search Google, you can still do that through presearch.org. You just do your search through here instead, and they're going to pay you in cryptocurrency. I believe it's called presearch coins, just to do your search through here. You can see right up here, I already have a balance running. So you type in your search. I've already loaded that in there, chadbennettlive.com, because I want to show you an example. And you'll select the tab that you want to actually search through. So if you're searching through Google, if you want to search through DuckDuckGo, Twitter, Facebook, whatever it is, you select that, type in your search, and we'll just do a quick example right here. I've typed in Chad Bennett Live. We'll hit search. It's going to do this little small thing where it flips up a coin, shows you a quick advertisement, and then brings you directly to the search on Google that you were searching for anyways. The only difference is now I got paid for that, and I got cryptocurrency just for doing that search. If you want to take this a step further, you can actually refer this out to your friends, family, anybody that you know. Get this out on the internet and actually start referring people to this and make money from their searches as well. If that sounds interesting to you, you can simply come up here, click right there, click refer a friend. It's going to bring you over to this page right here. You can take your affiliate link right here, put that out on the internet, email it, however you want to do to get that out, refer it to your friends just because you like this and you're getting paid cryptocurrency as well. Share your enthusiasm, your excitement, and you can start making even more money from other people's searches just by sharing that link. Alrighty, you guys, coming in at our number 1 spot, CryptoTab browser. I saved the best for last for you. I absolutely love this web browser. This is what I've been using every single day. And basically what's happening here is you're getting paid to surf the web, just like it says right here. You're getting paid just to surf the web. All you're going to be doing, the only thing that really changes here is you're going to be using a different web browser. So if you're familiar with like Google Chrome or Firefox, anything like that, whatever you're using for your web browser, maybe it's Internet Explorer. What's really cool about this is it looks and functions exactly like Google Chrome. So if you're used to Google Chrome, you can very, very simply import all of the stuff that you have in your current web browser right over to this. You'll barely notice the difference, you guys. I've been using this every single day, and a lot of times I'm forgetting that I'm using a different web browser. And what's really cool about this is it's mining cryptocurrency in the background on autopilot all the time. Every single time that you have your browser window open and you're searching the web, you are earning cryptocurrency just for using this web browser right here. Real quickly here, I just wanted to point this out as well. This is available in the Google Play Store as well as the Apple App Store, so you can install this on all of your smart devices and start earning even more cryptocurrency, you guys, just from your phones and tablets. That is insane. I absolutely love that. And then if you want to take this a step or two further and really blow this up, what I recommend that you do is you couple this with pre-search, make this your, replace this with Google. That way you can start browsing the web and start getting paid for that as well while you're mining in the background just for having your browser window open. And then if you want to take it even a step further and really blow this up and have life-changing results just from this one little tip that I can give you is become an affiliate for CryptoTab browser right here. If you become an affiliate and you go out there and you share your excitement and how much you love, surfing the web and getting paid in cryptocurrency just for having your browser window open, you can do the same exact thing and start earning a percentage of everybody else's browsing and start earning even more cryptocurrency all the way up to 10 levels deep, you guys. And you can be earning from your friends of people referring stuff. So if, let's just say, for example, you invited 5 people and those 5 people led 5 more people and it just played out like that, you could potentially be earning up to $40,636 a month, 4.99 Bitcoin. Alrighty, my friends, so that wraps up the top 5 ways to start making free Bitcoin today. Go out there, start making that money, take action, be the 1% that actually goes out there and applies all these different things that I am teaching. Also, if you're anything like me and you're an entrepreneur at heart, make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. I've left a link for that right down here in the description of this video, right in the top. Check that out. It's chadbennettlive.com. That's my #1 recommendation. That's where I got started 5 months ago, you guys, and I have had insane results. I've been fumbling around on the internet for so long trying to figure out how to make money. That right there cleared it all up, gave me a precise blueprint of exactly what I needed to do. And like I said, I've had insane results. Check out my channel, you guys. You can see the proof for yourself. Look 5 months back, look where I started, look at where I'm at today. And last but not least, you guys, don't forget to smash that thumbs up. It helps get this information out to as many people as possible. Make sure that you subscribe. Click this bright red subscribe box right here. Click this bell notification, select all. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, and I'm coming out with videos every single week. So you want to be notified immediately when I come out with those videos. So that's all I have for you. I will see you on the next one. Peace.